So today I'll be making something that's made of carrots, and that will be a carrot cake. Join me in my kitchen. Alright, so here's our carrot cake ingredients. First, I have 2 cups of fresh shredded carrots, 1 3/4 cup of flour, 1 cup of white sugar, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, a cup of canola oil, 3 eggs, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon and 1/4 of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the full list of ingredients, please check the description below. So let's get started. Alright, first things first, we have to blend this sugar, eggs, and oil. Or we can do it manually as well. Eggs. We slowly pour it here. Okay, let's put our cinnamon, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Vanilla. Okay, now my pan is ready. I put oil on the sides and I have a paper here for the bottom. Now we're ready to bake it in our preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. I set it for 20 minutes. Now we have to rotate it and bake again for 15 more minutes. It's beautiful. Look at that. While waiting for our cake to cool down, we have to make our frosting. I have 2 cups of confectionery sugar, a cup of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, okay, here's my carrot cake.